pumpkin patch.
Yeah. We're at the pumpkin patch. Yeah. There's a lot of children. Let's go.
All right, what do you guys want to do first? Find some food?
Yes, I'm hungry. No. Not yet.
They have a giant pumpkin over there.
There's also that tree.
The giant pumpkin?
And also there's a house, a pumpkin house.
Look at me hungry again.
Are you hungry, isn't it?
All I ate was a Pop-Tart. 1, 2, 3, say Houston. Jump, mommy. I would not want to sleep on it. I do not like hay. Shows they make it soft, but it's really prickly. The hay?
This is a TV, and also there's a horse.
And also there's a big pumpkin.
Look, guys.
That looks heavy, but it's light. It's really light.
Oh, let me do it.
It's so light. It's hollow. It's so light. And then you can tell it's fake because it's not done.
You took a train to the south side of Boston. You showed me where the old man stayed.
It is so silly.
Took 40 hours lost in the feeling of my own birthday.
You like it, buddy?
Yeah, it gets so deep.
Cruzy.
It's so hard. Why is it so hard?
It's corn.
Yeah, but you bite corn. But if you bite this corn, you'll break your teeth. Corn. Can I bring the camera into the corn? Hello guys, this is another one of Enzo's podcast, and we're going through the corn. It gets so deep. It's actually crazy. Like if I drop this in there, that would be horrible. You can't even see my feet anymore. Oh! Yeah, no, it's too deep. I can't do this anymore. I'm sinking. Merry-go-round. This is a merry-go-round, and we are going on it. Enzo. I'm riding a gazelle. A giraffe. Guess what it is? I'm riding a giraffe. I'm riding a giraffe.
They're rich. Oh.
Hi, Mommy. Mommy, you just relaxing?
I'm done.